Vitamin B3 nicotinamide benefits for Parkinson's, glaucoma, skin cancer. We will talk about this 3 in that order. Vitamin B3 nicotinamide, a glimmer of hope for Parkinson's disease? Parkinson's disease, a neurodegenerative disorder characterized by the progressive loss of dopamine-producing nerve cells in the brain, affects millions worldwide. While current treatments can manage symptoms, they do not halt or reverse the disease progression. The search for new therapeutic approaches is therefore crucial. Enter vitamin B3, specifically the form known as nicotinamide. Recent research suggests that nicotinamide may offer significant benefits for Parkinson's patients. Potential benefits of nicotinamide for Parkinson's. Protecting dopamine-producing cells. Nicotinamide contributes to the production of NAD+, a critical coenzyme involved in energy production and cellular repair. Studies suggest that NAD+ levels decline in Parkinson's, potentially contributing to the loss of dopamine-producing cells. Nicotinamide supplementation may help boost NAD+ levels and protect these vital cells. Improving mitochondrial function. Mitochondria are the powerhouses of cells, responsible for energy production. Mitochondrial dysfunction is a hallmark of Parkinson's. Nicotinamide may improve mitochondrial function and energy production in brain cells, potentially alleviating symptoms. Reducing inflammation. Inflammation plays a significant role in the progression of Parkinson's. Nicotinamide exhibits anti-inflammatory properties, potentially slowing down disease progression and mitigating symptom severity. Enhancing cognitive function. Parkinson's patients often experience cognitive decline alongside motor symptoms. Nicotinamide may improve cognitive function by promoting neuroprotection and enhancing the communication between brain cells. Nuts, seeds, legumes, beans, bananas include plant sources of vitamin B3. Delaying disease progression. Early research suggests that nicotinamide may slow down the progression of Parkinson's. A recent phase 1 clinical trial found that high-dose nicotinamide supplementation improved motor function and reduced symptom severity in patients. While the research on nicotinamide for Parkinson's is promising, it's still in its early stages. More large-scale, long-term clinical trials are needed to confirm the safety and efficacy of nicotinamide as a treatment for Parkinson's. Additionally, researchers are exploring different forms of vitamin B3, such as nicotinamide riboside, to determine their potential benefits for the disease. Consult your doctor. Before starting any new supplement, including nicotinamide, it's crucial to consult with your doctor. They can assess your individual needs and potential interactions with existing medications. Dosage and safety. The optimal dosage of nicotinamide for Parkinson's is still being investigated. It's important to follow your doctor's instructions and adhere to recommended dosages to ensure safety. Not a cure. While promising, nicotinamide is not a cure for Parkinson's. It's currently considered a potential adjunct therapy that may complement existing treatment regimens. Vitamin B3 nicotinamide holds exciting potential as a therapeutic approach for Parkinson's disease. Its ability to protect brain cells, improve mitochondrial function, reduce inflammation, and enhance cognitive function offers a ray of hope for millions living with this debilitating illness. While further research is necessary, the initial findings are encouraging and pave the way for further development of this promising therapy. Vitamin B3, a potential game changer for glaucoma? Glaucoma, a leading cause of irreversible blindness, affects millions worldwide. This progressive optic nerve damage is often associated with elevated intraocular pressure, IOP, within the eye. While current treatments focus on lowering IOP, they don't address the underlying nerve damage. This is where vitamin B3, specifically the form known as nicotinamide, emerges as a potential game changer. Nicotinamide plays a crucial role in the production of NAD+, a vital coenzyme involved in various cellular processes, including energy production, DNA repair, and cell signaling. Studies suggest that NAD+ levels decline in the retina and optic nerve in glaucoma patients. Nicotinamide supplementation could potentially boost NAD+ levels, enhance energy production and cellular repair within the optic nerve, protecting against damage and promoting its survival. Improve mitochondrial function. Mitochondria, the powerhouses of cells, are dysfunctional in glaucoma. Nicotinamide can improve their function and energy production, supporting healthy retinal cells. Reduce oxidative stress. Glaucoma is characterized by oxidative stress, which damages cells. Nicotinamide's antioxidant properties may help combat this damage and protect retinal cells. Promote neuroprotection. Nicotinamide may directly protect retinal ganglion cells, the neurons responsible for transmitting visual information to the brain, from degeneration. Improve visual function. Preliminary studies suggest that nicotinamide supplementation may improve visual function and slow down the progression of glaucoma. While research on nicotinamide for glaucoma is promising, it's still in its early stages. Recent clinical trials have shown encouraging results, but larger and longer-term studies are needed to confirm its efficacy and safety for long-term use. A Phase 1 clinical trial conducted by the Centre for Eye Research Australia, CERA, found that high-dose nicotinamide significantly improved visual function and nerve cell function in some patients. This led to a larger international clinical trial currently underway to further investigate the potential of nicotinamide as a treatment for glaucoma. Researchers are also exploring other forms of vitamin B3 like nicotinamide riboside and nicotinic acid to determine their potential benefits for glaucoma. Additionally, the use of gene therapy to deliver nicotinamide directly to the retina is being investigated as a potential treatment approach. Consult your doctor. Before starting nicotinamide for glaucoma, it's crucial to consult your doctor. They can assess your individual needs, potential interactions with existing medications, and determine the appropriate dosage. Dosage and safety. While nicotinamide is generally well tolerated, side effects like flushing and gastrointestinal upset can occur at high doses. Following your doctor's instructions and adhering to recommended dosages is essential. Not a cure. Nicotinamide is not a cure for glaucoma. It's considered a potential adjunct therapy that may complement existing treatment regimens of lowering IOP. Vitamin B3 nicotinamide offers a promising avenue for treating glaucoma. Its ability to protect retinal cells, improve mitochondrial function, and reduce oxidative stress holds immense potential for slowing down the progression of the disease and preserving vision. While further research is needed to fully understand its effectiveness and establish its place in glaucoma treatment, the initial findings are encouraging and pave the way for further development of this potentially transformative therapy. Vitamin B3 nicotinamide, a potential weapon against skin cancer? Skin cancer, the most common cancer in the United States, affects millions worldwide. While sun protection remains the primary defense, researchers are exploring new strategies to prevent and treat this disease. Vitamin B3, specifically the form known as nicotinamide, emerges as a potential player in the fight against skin cancer. Nicotinamide plays a vital role in cellular energy production, DNA repair, and immune function. Studies suggest it may offer several benefits against skin cancer. Reduces DNA damage. UV radiation from the sun damages DNA, paving the way for skin cancer development. Nicotinamide helps repair this damage, potentially preventing cancer formation. Boosts immune function. A healthy immune system is crucial for fighting off cancer cells. Nicotinamide may enhance immune response and help the body eliminate precancerous and cancerous cells. Suppresses tumor growth. Nicotinamide may inhibit the growth and proliferation of skin cancer cells. Studies suggest it can induce cancer cell death and prevent new tumors from forming. Prevents precancerous lesions. Nicotinamide may prevent the development of actinic keratoses, rough, scaly patches on the skin that can turn into squamous cell carcinoma, a type of skin cancer. Reduces the risk of non-melanoma skin cancers. Research indicates that nicotinamide supplementation can significantly reduce the risk of developing non-melanoma skin cancers, including basal cell carcinoma and squamous cell carcinoma. Research on nicotinamide for skin cancer prevention and treatment is promising, with several clinical trials underway. A large-scale Australian study demonstrated that nicotinamide supplementation reduced the rate of non-melanoma skin cancers by 23% compared to placebo. Ongoing clinical trials are investigating the effectiveness of nicotinamide in combination with other treatments for advanced skin cancers. Researchers are also exploring the use of nicotinamide in topical formulations to directly target skin cancer cells. This approach could potentially offer targeted therapy with fewer side effects compared to oral supplementation. Consult your doctor. Before starting nicotinamide for skin cancer prevention or treatment, it's crucial to consult your doctor. They can assess your individual risks, potential interactions with existing medications, and determine the appropriate dosage. Dosage and safety. Nicotinamide is generally well tolerated, but some side effects like flushing and gastrointestinal upset can occur at high doses. Adhering to recommended dosages is essential. Not a magic bullet. While promising, nicotinamide is not a substitute for sun protection. Sun protection through seeking shade, wearing sunscreen, and covering up remains the primary strategy for preventing skin cancer. Vitamin B3 nicotinamide offers a glimmer of hope in the fight against skin cancer. Do not forget to click the like button while watching this video. Its ability to repair DNA damage, boost the immune system, and suppress tumor growth makes it a potentially valuable tool for prevention and treatment. While further research is needed, the initial findings are encouraging and pave the way for further development of this promising approach to combat skin cancer. Up above you see 2 videos related to health. It will be more helpful to you and your family. See you in the next video.